Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to Sdn Technologies. Today we continue with our e-invoice sharing rental. In e-invoice era, we understand that any sales or income, we need to do e-invoice to our customer. And for all our expenses or purchase, we should request e-invoice from the supplier. Now, when we talk about rental, let's say you are a company and you are a landlord for a property. Let's say the property is commercial property, you rent to a company B. And the company B will request e-invoice from you, then you need to issue e-invoice to them. Let's say you rent a house, then your tenant might not need e-invoice because e-invoice for them, they cannot deduct tax. Meaning, even you are a landlord, a company that implemented e-invoice, you still do not need to issue e-invoice to your tenant. If they do not request to do so, you can do consolidate e-invoice. But the other way around, let's say you're a company, you rent an office from your landlord. Then, if your landlord is a company that already implement e-invoice, then no problem, request e-invoice from them. But if your landlord is an individual who are not conducting the business, they are not able to provide you with an e-invoice, then what you need to do is you need to do self-bill e-invoice and declare these expenses and report to 𝐂𝐲𝐷N. With this, you're actually telling 𝐂𝐲𝐷N that your landlord have this rental income. So there are a lot of argument because some landlord may not want to give their personal details for you to do the self-bill e-invoice because maybe they do not do a proper taxation submission. So you need to get all this be prepared before your company implement e-invoice. For utilities wise, very easy. As long as the utility bills is under your company name, then you can do normal purchase and these utilities can be claimed as your expenses. But if the utilities bill is not under your company name, it's under landlord name, then when you self-bill e-invoice, you need to self-bill the utilities expenses as well, even though you pay direct to the utility service provider. So how to do that? That is the accounting entry. If you think that this video is benefit to you, please like and share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm Brian from Sdn Technologies. See you in the next video. Thank you.